BAE reached out to us wanting 30 replacement panels, and once we got kind of wind of what this project was, we found out that it was a building that Mike Kiernan, our president, actually built 30 years ago out there in Charleston. So we were kind of happy to see that building, that it lasted that long. Damage was pretty bad after 30 years being on the water. A lot of water damage, roof damage. Once we got down there, we realized that 30 panels was not going to be enough. So we decided to replace all the panels and the entire roof system. The Navy actually was super happy with the outcome. The Navy used this job for training usages, storage, office space, but it's actually mainly used for a training facility out in the water in Charleston. There was a lot of special requirements for this project, as it being on the water on a barge. The elements were definitely a lot more extreme than our standard guard booth or exterior building. So we had to use some special requirements, especially for the roof, the steel, how it was made due to the wind speeds in that Charleston area. Had to use a special sealant because we had to avoid any kind of leaks as it's on the water. Navy was very adamant about it not leaking. So we definitely had to seal that thing up. Everybody was super happy. Mark and Sam with BAE Systems, super ecstatic how the outcome came out. Went super smooth for everybody. Super successful project.